Hello everyone, my name is Oriana and I would like to welcome you to the University of Niagara Falls, Canada Managed Residence at River Road. Steps away from campus and downtown Niagara Falls, this residence is a great choice if you're looking for convenience, comfort, and incredible view of Niagara River. Let's start our tour in the residence office where you can speak to our staff and receive personalized support. If you need help after hours, our professional staff member is always available to assist you with emergency that may arise. Living in the residence means you have 24/7 access to the common area, including our residence lounge, study area, communal kitchen, and laundry room, which is fully equipped with pay-to-use washers and dryers. There are also vending machines stocked with snacks, convenient essential. Now let's look at our suites. This is one of our double occupancy suite. This spacious option comes fully furnished with bed, desk, wardrobe, and nightstand for each person. There is also a kitchenette including an apartment-sized fridge, microwave, hot plate stove, and a sink. There is also a three-piece bathroom. If you prefer a little more privacy, there are single occupancy suites. It comes with all the same features as double, including a kitchenette and your own bathroom. If you're moving to Niagara Falls with your partner or sibling, we also provide family living option in residence. Just remember, living at the residence comes with many benefits, including free Wi-Fi, utilities, and weekly resident socials. All of our spaces are available on first-come, first-served basis. Contact us at housing@unfc.ca to apply today.